Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my garage. Today we will fix that beautiful 2007 Suzuki Boulevard M109R type. I don't know, the number is VZR 1800. So she just take a broken clutch wire, so we have to change that. That is the way, starting here and goes that way, goes inside, come to that way. That is the holding point. We have to take it off that, and goes to the under, come to here, and we have to take it off that cover. And under the cover has a clutch mechanism, so let's do it. This is number 4. That has 3 different screws. Or 2, 1, 2, let's see. That is number 4 also. Oh, 3, yes, that is the third one. You have to take it off the full clutch cable from that way. So first we have to lose the holding stuff, I don't know, with the number 12 wrench. And when it's done, we have to take it off from here. You see how it works? I think it's a good idea if I use that adjustable wrench to move. Let's see how it works. To move that one. Yes, yes, you can move that one really easily. And you can use a regular plier for take it off the cable itself. It's done. You see guys how it's moving? It's a really good idea, I think so. And after, let's see how we can take it off. Take it off like, okay, give me a second. I lost that one fully. Goes down a little bit. Okay. Okay, I need 2 hands. Or 3. Yes, I need 3 hands. push my hand a little bit. So the cable itself, it goes like this way inside the covers, and lot of difficult place. So my idea, I make a guide before I take it off the old one. It's working nice. Complete out, and it goes back same way when we came. If you have a chance, not force too much, not just push a little bit for the other way, and it goes more easily. Do not force nothing. Before we install back, we connected the point, because there we have more play and they're much more easy to install. us. Oh, it goes nicely without force. Yeah, it looks good. Okay. When it's done, install back the cable end. Is in. Yeah, of course, the play is too much, of course. No, not gonna be too tight. You have a little play, so that is too tight now. I think so. So we lose a little bit more back. I don't like this. I think that is enough. We're not tightening too much first time because we're not sure. Don't need to adjust a little bit later more. So just tight a little bit. It's gonna be on the good place. Yeah, tight a little bit, just is not move. So we have a little play on the arm. Yes, not too much, but we have. So right now we check the lever itself. Yeah, it's too much play, I'm sure. So you can adjust here a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit more. Yes, I think it feels good. So the gap is inside, and you try to move that one. The gap is gonna be inside also. So the gap is here right now, same line, so it's perfect. Playing like this. Okay, let's see how it works. So we sit on the bike and just try it. The clutch itself, open the system or not. So we are on neutral right now. So we push in the gear, number 1. So it's holding the bike. And when we open the clutch, oh yeah, it's moving. So the clutch itself, the clutch lever itself is opening the system. So just in case we try it in the live, so take neutral, turn on the engine. So just in case you keep inside the brake and you try it where gonna be has a friction zone, so we're going to the clutch. Yes, I feel that nicely. It's gonna be around give me a second guys, I try to show you. So it's going like this, a little bit more than half, and that is 1 to moving the bike, but I holding the front brake. So for the first point, I think it's really good. I really like it. That one, let's see the customer how you like it. That is just a plastic stuff here, so don't need it too much torque. And after we put back that cover, you remember 3 screws. Okay guys, so we make a test ride with the Suzuki. Let's see the new clutch, how it works. Let's see the friction zone is good or not. Let's see the clutch is slip or not.